Veena, your storyteller. This is a story about a little dino. Have you heard of Friendship Land? Come on, let's find out what Dino finds there. But in the meantime, this story is about a little dinosaur who does not have friends. And he's very sad and lonely because he doesn't have any friends. What does he do? He sits near the river and wishes he had somebody to play with. Can you look at his sad face? Poor thing. Now let's find out how we can make Dino happy. So it so happened, one day he asked the beautiful river by his cave if he has friends. Yes, of course, she says. The rain and the rainbow are my best friends. She adds, colorful fishes also come to meet me sometimes. They too are my friends. Looking at Dino's sad face, the river understands that he has no friends. Suddenly, a boat magically appears in front of Dino. The river says, this boat is my gift to you, Dino. It will take you to Friendship Land, a land full of new friends. Dino thanks the river and sits on the magical boat. The boat slowly takes him far, far away from his home. And Dino is so excited he arrives at Friendship Land, the most beautiful place in the world. He has never seen such colorful flowers. He has never seen a grasshopper before. The grasshopper welcomes Dino and asks him if he wants to be his friend. Oh, yes, 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 exclaims Dino happily. Soon, Dino makes friends with the birds, the bees, the butterflies, and flowers of Friendship Land. He is never ever sad and lonely again because he has a land full of friends. Now, I hope you enjoyed the story of our little Dino. Little Dino looks happy now. So let's find out something about the dinosaur, okay? Dinosaurs are a group of reptiles. They are the largest land animals of all time. Some are herbivorous and others are carnivorous. Dinosaurs were the main animals on Earth for more than 150 million years. They were lizard-like reptiles. Some of them were the largest and scariest creatures that ever walked on land. The word dinosaur comes from Greek words meaning terrible lizard. Did you know there are currently more than 700 different species of dinosaurs? Now children, some activity for you. You can draw and color. And you can use some adjectives to describe the dinosaur. What can they be? Agile, ancient, colossal, dominant, enormous, ferocious, gigantic, herbivorous, imposing, majesty, and you can also write funny, scary, cheesy, messy. So now you can write your own poem as well.